This is Shubkumar Maji. So today I have a very special task, and this task is one of my favorite tasks because with the help of this task I can say thanks to my parents. So this task title name is say thanks to our parents. So my parents gave me life in this world, and I was born in 1998. And when I born in this world, I don't know anything about it, how to do any do work. So like how to walk, how to speak, how to give respect someone, how to eat, so many things I don't know in my childhood. So they teach me, and it is only my parents they give me, or not only teach me, they also teach me good manners and good habits, how to move forward in this world, and so many things like if you want to move forward in this world, you have a good study and you have a good knowledge in computer, in a lots of field. If you have good knowledge in this world, you can move forward easily and you can earn money. So many things they teach me. So, and not only they teach me, when I was ill in childhood, they gave me a good treatment, and so many time I was ill, they provide me a good treatment. My father income is not good in present time and not in past time, still they are providing me in present time best facility. So in this time this time is my to do something for my parents. So, and finally I would like to say thanks my parents. They give me wonderful opportunity, and they gave me very beautiful facilities, and so many things they provide me. So I would like to say thanks finally, and at last I would like to say thanks NFL. They gave me a wonderful and very beautiful task. So thank you, sir.